Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of April the 3rd to the 9th. A lot of superb deals in this flyer. I am looking forward to this week. Before we even dive into the deals, Fetch Rewards, my goodness gracious, $15 back when you spend $50 on Kimberly-Clark products. OMG, this is not an April Fool's joke. This is amazing. Check your discoveries page if you have it. And this is the bingo sheet of all the stuff that's included. Look at the paper, especially if you're going hard at the Dollar General this week or Walgreens. Now, if you've never heard of this app, my referral code is right there on the screen. When you download the app, use this referral code and photograph your first receipt. It could be a pack of gum you bought yesterday or an English muffin you bought last week. You're given $2. And when they throw something on the table like this of spend 50, get back $15, kind of amazing. And you can apply for gift cards right at around the $5 mark. It's a very easy app to use and kind of addictive. My absolute favorite for extreme couponing or just shopping. If you're new to couponing, this is definitely an app to download and then sign up for. And don't forget to use my referral code at sign up. You're given an extra $2, so it is a pretty special app. Okay, now I'm going to take you to Big Lots before we go to the Walgreens deals. Right up until Sunday the 3rd, they have a free item. So basically, you go to the store, on your Big Lots card, this coupon will be automatically loaded, and you're going to get one of these hippie. It's like a little chocolate bunny. They do this every year, 1.5 ounce. And typically, they stage all this stuff near the front cash register, so be on the lookout for that. And it's until Sunday the 3rd. So if you are out and about shopping, definitely stop by your local Big Lots and get your free chocolate bunny. Hey guys, so the first thing we're going to talk about are these boosters. Like the last 2 weeks, one of my card would get it, the second card would get nothing. I would get that weird like spend $60 million, get back $15 in Walgreens cash. This one's back on both of my accounts. Check your digital coupons folder, load them right away. So just to give you the rundown on this, it's from the 3rd to the 9th. It has to be that window. It is of a one-time use. And if you have a paper booster, yes, you can stack the digital and the paper. That works. For the balance, yes, you can use your debit card, credit card, or bills. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it will reduce the cost of the booster. So it just makes a mess. So definitely use your debit card, credit card, or cash bills to pay down that balance. And yes, you can use manufacturers in concert with the booster. Okay, the first little dealio that we have is with the Walgreens brand Epsom Salt. So either this eucalyptus or the lavender, this is your choice. And this is also the online price of $1.49. Now this is a your mileage may vary if your account got it, but $1.50 off of one of those salts. Wow. So in store, it's $1.99. Online, it's $1.49. So online, it's free. In store, $1.99. And we're doing this in store. Subtracting that $1.50 digital. And again, your mileage may vary if you might have it or not. You're paying 49 cents. Now, if you want to throw this in a bigger curbside basket, you would be $8 short from getting your $10 before you can place the order. But still, online free, in store 49 cents for this Epsom salt that is just absolutely glorious. Definitely a deal to do. So make sure that you have that digital coupon, and this is one I would do. Okay, so the paper deal of the week is definitely the Scott's over at Walgreens. So either the paper towel or the toilet paper. Unfortunately, the Kleenex is not part of this month, and I do not know why, but it is not part of it. So you're going to grab either one of each or one. You don't need to grab two. But it is to buy one for $5. We have this very wonderful IVC coupon, so you can load it digitally, or alternatively, you can scan it from the Big Book of Savings. It's found on page 6, and it's $1.25 off of one of these. So buying one for $5, subtracting that $1.25 IVC, you're paying $3.75. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. $15 when you spend $50. This is progressive for this, and it's a little something called magic. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so the next two deals that we're looking at are deals of the week. So you buy 3 of these items, you get back a $5, I think it's a manufacturer register reward. So the first one is Crest or Oral-B, so the brushes or the paste. Grabbing 3 of the pastes for $12. We have a 5 off of 3 digital. If you used it last week, it's a one and done. So, you know, you either have it or you don't. You'll pay $7, get back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for the 3 or 66 cents per tube. Now, if you have If you're not doing this with a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And as is the same deal with the Scott's toilet paper that I just showed you in the slides previous. No booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Okay, so the next deal that we have is with the Pampers. Buy 3 of these, get back a $5 register reward. Unfortunately, for these deals of the week, you have to buy 3 like items because the register rewards were not printing if you mixed and matched last week. So grabbing 3 of the Pampers, that's going to be $30. And yes, the third one will ring up for $10. We have a 3 off of 2 digital. I would also throw in $20 in Walgreens cash, pay $7, and get back your $5 register reward. If you're not doing this deal with a booster, yes, use some Walgreens cash. Figuring the math with a booster, I think it was like $7 per pack. Use some Walgreens cash, especially if you have little ones in diapers. I think this is just a really good deal. Okay, the next deal that we have is $5.49 for some of these P&G products. $5 register reward when you buy 4. For this specific deal, we're going to grab a Charmin toilet paper, a Bounty Essential, and then 1 Gain Flings, or maybe 2 Gain Flings. Those things are so tiny and easier to store. We're also going to make sure that we have this booster loaded. So we're using a spend booster, so we'll definitely have to use our debit card to pay down the balance because we're using it with this guy. So please pay attention that if you're using this, you're using your debit card, credit card, or bills to pay the balance. Grabbing 4 of the P&G products, that's $21.96. Let's grab a Bounty, a Charmin, and 2 Flings. Make sure you have your booster loaded. We're going to print a $1 coupon from P&G Good every day. With that website, you have to print it the morning of because it has a less than 24-hour expiry date on it, which is, it is what it is. We have a $1/4 digital coupon for the Bounty and the Charmin, so that's 50 cents off as well. You're paying $20.46 with your debit card. And then we're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster and then a $5 register reward for buying 4 of those P&G products, making it $10.46 for the 4 products or $2.61 per product. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance because we are using that booster, so please pay attention to that. The next deal is with the Dove. We're going to grab 2 products at $7.99. It's either the Dove Bath or Baby Care, so whatever you can find that's cheaper. We have a $2 digital coupon and then earn a $5 register reward when you buy 2 of these products. Grabbing 2 of the body washes priced at $7.99 on a BOGO 50% off, that's $11.23. Subtracting that $2 digital, you're paying $9.23 out of pocket, getting back your $4 register reward, making it $5.23 for the 2 or $2.61 per product. If you want to use some Walgreens cash and doing this deal without a booster, go for it. And don't forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Dove is part of their catalog. Yes, you will get back extra points for that purchase. Okay, now we're talking about our friend Mr. Colgate. $3.99. We have a 3 off of 2 digital. Earn a $4 cash reward when you buy 2. So that's kind of decent. So grabbing 2 tubes of the toothpaste, that's $7.98. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying $4.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it 98 cents for the 2. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, say you're not doing this with a booster, yes, you can spend your Walgreens cash to earn it. Yes, that flip works perfectly. Okay, so one thing I do want to address with you guys is this shampoo deal of the month of spend 20, get back 5. Now, a $5 reward for me is $5 I can spend on anything in the store. You know, there's exceptions, like I can't buy lottery tickets or whatever with it. However, what's coming out of the machine is $5 off of a hair dye. So I would recommend not to do this deal. Somebody sent me the breakdown of this. It came out of the Catalina machine, but that's just kind of misleading because I would think that a $5 register reward is for anything like the typical ones that we get, but I guess they have a sense of humor here and it's $5 off of a hair dye. So do not be fooled by this. This is one deal I would not do. Because since when do they get to decide what we buy? And what if you don't use hair dye? So I would call customer service and say, hey, this is not as described. It doesn't say $5 reward for hair dye. And what kind of hair dye can you buy for exactly $5? So I think this is terribly misleading. Get in touch with customer service and complain. This next deal, if you love Panera or the Children's Place Gymboree, you're going to buy 2 of these gift cards at $25 a pop, so $50 of gift cards, and then get a $5 Walgreens gift card. Get the one with the logo just like it's pictured, and you'll pay $50 for the 2 gift cards and then get a $5 free Walgreens gift card. So that is pretty cool, and that's once per transaction, just to note that. If you love the Dr. Bronners super uber fancy soaps that they have. And yes, they do carry them at Walgreens. They'll go 50% off, and I would absolutely use a little bit of Walgreens cash and make that happen. Okay, guys, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one is the aluminum foil 2 for 2. I would use the store register reward or a little bit of Walgreens cash, but that is a really good price point, $1 for some aluminum foil. Okay, now we have a bunch of Easter products from 99 cents. So if you're trying to do some Easter baskets on a budget, this might be the store throwing in store register rewards or a little bit of Walgreens cash. I'm sure you can make a beautiful basket on the cheap. So I would absolutely see what they have, especially if you have little ones and you need to make something for Easter. Why not? And then we have a bunch of the candy. Some of it's a little bit more pricey, but I mean, if you look through it, look at those Hershey Kisses at $2.49. That is absolutely a deal of the week. So it's definitely worth scouring and see what they might have. We have the Kellogg's cereal, the Pop-Tarts, all that good stuff. BOGO free, which is nice. BOGO 50% off on the Lay's and Doritos chips. This is interesting right here. 3 for $12.99 for the 7-Up. That is an absolute and total stock-up price because in the last couple of weeks in the ads, it's been like 2 for $10 or 2 for $11.99, including this 3 for $12.99 for the Coca-Cola products. If you know, you know this is a deal. Very good. And more food, you might want to stock up your pantry over at Walgreens, especially if you're looking for things like saltines. Very hard to find right now, but very good deals on the food. You know, you can keep this in your pantry for a little bit. Use some Walgreens cash or store register rewards. Solid food prices with your Walgreens cash or store register rewards. And then some adult beverages. Buy one of these products, get back a $5 rebate. You got to send it to the manufacturer. Pretty easy to follow. They're typically one per household, but these are popping up again. So if you need to stock up, this might be the week to do it. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.